In this video, I will show you how to stream to multiple platforms on OBS. So first things first, head over to restream.io and then sign up for an account. Now we have in here this default RTMP. You can stream by OBS on this one. Just click on this RTMP setup and then it should be able to show you in here this. So you just need to copy this URL as well as this stream key and then connect it to your OBS. So let's head over right here to our OBS. So we're not your OBS, okay? So this icon. And then for this one, just head over right here to this browser option and then click on OK. Now it will open a property for your browser. So just copy the link that we have earlier into our Stream.io. And then once you have copied the link, you can head over and then input that right here. So in here, just enter as well the custom CSS if you have it, and also your stream key if you have it as well. And after that, just head over and click on OK in order to add them right here. So you just click on OK, and then it will wait for a few seconds in order to successfully add it and stream it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.